Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. Today we are going to discuss a word which is an adverb in Chinese language, and this way we are going to improve our Chinese vocabulary by learning different words, different vocabulary of Chinese language. So today's word is 早热. 早热, it is an adverb. Okay, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद है. आज हम एक लफ्ज़ सीखेंगे और हम उसको चीनी जुमले में इस्तेमाल करना भी सीखेंगे और उसको लिखेंगे भी. We will use this word in a Chinese sentence, so the use of this word will be clear to us in Chinese language. In Pinyin we can write it like 早早热 早热 早热 Zao means if we separate it, it means zao means early. Okay, it means early. Jald in Urdu, and this word means day. So they have combined it, and we use it for din in Urdu. So we can say early day, or we can say early date, or early or soon. Early day or early date or soon or as soon as. So we are going to use this in a Chinese sentence. The use of this word will be clear to us after seeing this, after seeing it in a sentence. And in Urdu we can call it jald ya jaldi se. Urdu में हम इसको इस तरह सीखेंगे. So now we are going to proceed towards a sentence in which we used this word 早热, and we will try to learn the use of this word in today's lecture. So the sentence here is in front of you. Here if you see this, the sentence which I'm underlining it right now, these are called Chinese characters. Okay, so this is called Pinyin. Pinyin वो सिस्टम है जिसमें हम चीनी अल्फाज को उसकी तलफ़ुज़ और उसकी अदायगी, मतलब उसके अल्फाज की अदायगी किस तरह करते हैं, तो उसको हम सीखते हैं. ठीक है. सो 祝你早日恢复健康 祝你早日恢复健康 祝你 here you can see if I try to highlight these two words, this and this, you see two third tone syllables are following each other. ठीक है, पहले थर्ड टोन वाली लफ्ज़ के बाद दूसरा थर्ड टोन वाला लफ्ज़ आ रहा है. तो अगर इस तरह आपके सामने आ जाए, so you change the tone of the first third tone into second tone. 祝你早日恢复健康祝你早日恢复健康恢复健康 Okay, I have explained these words one by one in the upcoming slides. मैंने इनकी वजाहत कर दी है आगे आने वाले स्लाइड्स में. एक एक लफ्ज़ की मानी आपके सामने आ जाएगी और आप सीख जाएंगे कि क्या क्या मीनिंग है, क्या क्या मानी है. What is the meaning of individual word used in the sentence will be presented to you in the upcoming slides, so don't worry, it will be clear to you as soon as possible. I wish you a speedy recovery or get well soon. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जल्द ठीक हो जाए, या उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जल्द ठीक हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Get well soon. How to say get well soon in Chinese language, and how we use this word 早热 in that. So 祝你早日恢复健康. So let's proceed. We also try to write these words. So here is the first word 祝. 祝 means to wish. Okay, 祝 means to wish. So उम्मीद करना या ख्वाहिश रखना, we can say, and we can use this word in different Chinese sentences like 祝你生日快乐 wishing you a happy birthday. Okay, wishing you a happy birthday. So how to write this word, I'll try to write it in front of you. Okay, the benefit of these videos is that you will see that how we write these words. Okay, so this is how we write it. Ju, ju. Okay, ju. Umeed karna, khwahish rakhna, to wish. Proceeding towards the next word. It is very common, okay, in English, and it means ni. You can see here, ni. Ni means you. In Urdu we can call it tum. So how we write it, probably you would have seen me writing it quite a lot of time. This is how we write it, ni. Okay, and it means tum. Proceeding towards the next words. Okay, here we have hui fu. This, the pinyin of this is hui fu. Hui fu means to regain or recover. Pir se hasil kar lena. So here we are talking about health, which is jian kang. So it is coming after this one. hui fu means regain or recover. Pir se hasil kar lena. तो सेहत के बारे में, सेहत की तरफ इशारा है. How to write hui fu? It can be written like this. You can see hui fu. Hui fu. This is how we write it. The next word is jian kang. Jian kang, it means health, sehat. So jian kang, it means health. Okay, so how we are going to write health in Chinese language? It is not that complicated as it looks, but you have to pay attention. That is how you're going to write it. Okay, I'll write it once again. Jian Kang, okay, sehat. So this was all about this lecture. I hope that you would have liked this lecture a lot, and this was all about it. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. On YouTube, we are going to meet with another interesting lecture about Chinese language. This was our word of the day, 早热, okay, and it meant early, okay, or soon. You can say soon or early, or so this is how we say it, 早热, and we can use it. This is how we pronounce it in Chinese. 祝你早日恢复健康. 祝你早日恢复健康. So see you in another interesting video about Chinese language. 再见, Allah Hafiz.